Hello, today we're going to be doing a random leetcode problem. 268. Missing number. This is an easy one. Given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in range 0 to n, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. Okay. Seems pretty easy. Okay. Yeah. Is there negatives? Okay, so there's no negatives. So I was thinking about using the factorial thing. And my first thought was factorial. Let me just change this to Python. I do not know C++ yet. My initial thought was using factorials, and then is there a built-in factorial operator in Python? Wait, let me figure that out real quick. Okay, so there is a factorial thing in Python. You just have to import math. It's math.factorial. There's a car coming by. Math.factorial. I'm gonna do this in a leetcode thing. And yeah. Alright, so now I have a VS Code window. So we're just gonna import math. Oh no, not that. Import math. And then let's check math.factorial. Yes. Alright. So what I was thinking about doing was, what is the list called here? Nums is equal to Baba Booey. Nope, not that. We cycle through it, and then we find the min and the max of it. Then we take the factorial of the max, subtract the factorial of the min, and then we divide by this thing multiplied out. Since it's in order, it should work. So for I in range length, yeah, we'll just use the auto-generated thing. What? No. Alright. If prod is equal to 1, min is equal to 0, min wait, how are we gonna do this? I guess we could just set both min and max equal to 0. What is this auto prompt thing doing? Alright. So, this U++ configuration. So, prod times, where's the times equals the nums of I. We don't need this. we do not need this. We can just simply do that and then make this I. Prod times equals I if I is less than the minimum, then the min is equal to I. If I is gonna, okay, I'll just do that. Yeah. Alright. Yep, now we'll run this. Print prod, print min, print. Why isn't it gonna print? Is it gonna print max? Yep, okay. No, not that. Alright, now we'll run this. 0. What? Oh. Alright. I see. Oof. Can we just take out 0? I think we can just take out 0. Yeah. Nums dot pop. Nums dot delete. Remove. Alright, yeah. Remove 0. Alright. Should work now. 3, 0. How? How is the minimum 0? That's not possible. Oh, I guess it is. Okay, the minimum is gonna now equal infinity. You can just do that, right? Or isn't it like... No, it's not math, not infinite. It's gotta be like, what is the... float? Yeah, this thing. Oh gosh, if max is equal to 0. Yeah. Now if we run this. Yes, okay. We got this. Okay. So, now that we have the product, the min, and the max, we can remove this real quick. Oh wait, we can just import math.factorial. I guess we can do that. Yeah. What? Yeah, it's fine. We'll just import all of math. Math. Import factorial. What? Alright. So now, what we can do is factorial the product of that would be okay, so we're gonna take the factorial fact is equal to factorial of the max what is it? Max divided by factorial of the min. Alright. And then we take this thing, and then so it's gonna be less, which means you divide it, right? Okay, then you take fact, and then you divide it by, no, you take missing is equal to, yeah, print missing. Alright, let's see this. What? Why isn't it letting me? Yes! Okay. It's 2, right? Yeah, it's 2. Let's go. Okay. Now let's test this for the other solution. Oh, this might not work. 1, 2. Is there 2 numbers? So all range. Huh? Pure nose. See if this works. Bam. Okay, it should give us 8. Okay, yeah. So, for everything except when we have to go outside of the range, it should work. We could say then yeah, okay. What? Print missing. Alright, it should work. See. Control. 2, okay. Yeah, this works. Let's put this in there. Run. Just alright. Since it has factorials, I do not know if this is gonna run good. Let's see. Bruh. Oh my. Edge case. So, what we're gonna do about that is I don't know what we're gonna do about that. We'll just add it here. What should have been the analyze complexity? Let's see what the server is busy. Alright. We'll say if length of nums is equal to 0. Wait, that's how it is, right? When it's like this, it's 0. I just like the nums. It's 1. Okay. If that's 1, then print, no, return nums of 0. Submit. What? Oh, length that. No, that's supposed to be in. Run. This works. Except. Oh, return nums as 0. Should probably be +1. That's probably what they're expecting. Submit. Boy! How? Oh my god. Oh. Oh, wait, I did not understand the question. I thought it was anything. Oh, so the minimum is always 0? It's always 1? Oh. Oh, then we don't have to do this. This solution is for things that are like, wait. Okay. I thought it was like actually gonna. How do you? How do you go back? Tab. No, shift, tab. Yeah, okay. Print. Alright. I did not understand the question at all. Holy. This solution is for things that are outside this range. So you don't even need this stuff. You don't need the 2. You don't need 3. It'll still get 8. Okay. This is not good. Okay, so what's wrong here? Alright, we just put the present of the edge case. If 0 is not in nums return 0. Okay. Did it not return 0? Is this not how you do it? Do you go like this? If not, submit. I swear that's how you do it. Dude. Do you like... I do not know how to do this. So... I do not understand why this does not work. I'm gonna give it to Copilot. Okay. So it's saying that this should work. But I don't know. It's basically the same thing as my code. Except it's implementing this. Keep. Alright. Now let's see it. Why is it not doing it? Run. What is this? What? I do not understand what's going on right now. Okay, so if 0 is not in nums, then return 0. Should work. Oh, we have to put this before Control Z. Control Z, V. Oh, I'm actually dumb. Oh, that's actually stupid. I forgot to get rid of that. What? Why did it return 0? Hold the phone, I'm so confused. Control C. Control V. Why is it not doing anything? Why is it not doing anything? Oof. as a test case. Run. Why is it outputting 0? I don't understand. Why is it outputting 0? Why? Why are you outputting 0? Wait, let's see what it's outputting here. It makes absolutely no sense, because that means that this thing has to be running. That means that it has to see this. So we see what it's returning. It's returning missing. Now, it never goes negative, so it can never be 0 if this thing is active. And then missing is equal to 0 divided by product. And fact divided by product. That means fact has to equal to 0. And then factorial, that means fact is factorial max. That means that factorial max has to equal 0. And that's just not possible, because factorial max is literally just the max. It's 2. So that means that this thing has to be running, but this thing can't be running because it's because there is 0 in the list. So I'm gonna do this. Then we're gonna run this. Missing number. Get out. Get out. We don't need self. Number of that. Not of that. Of this. Let's hope that this runs. Boy. It is outputting. What is it output? 0. Huh? No, why is it changing the entire thing? I don't want it to do that. Oh yeah, this would probably be a better solution. Yeah, that's fine. Fix the problem. Output 1, okay. Copy this. Let's just see if it works. Then we'll figure out why. Control V. Tab. Tab. Don't need this. Alright, let's see if this runs. If it doesn't, I'm just stopping the video. What do you mean? 2 given. 2 given. Oh yeah, so we gotta put self back in. How is it 3? How does that even work? How? Alright, that's it. I'll figure this out on my own time. Goodbye. Alright, so I found this solution. It is literally 4 lines of code. It runs in 0 milliseconds. Beats 100%. This is so simple. Why did I not think of it? It's just the formula for the sum of the first natural numbers. Then you just subtract. It even takes care of the edge cases. I mean, to be fair, my solution, it didn't deal with the first. It just dealt with an ordered pair. No, just something that's ordered. But it's such a good solution. Let's look at the other people's solutions. Let's look at this one. Yeah, it's the same thing. Oh, it's the exact same thing. Wait, is that mine? Let's look at this. What are they even doing here? I do not know what this is. Oh, they're using pointers. Lift the pointer. Wait. They're using factorials too. See, I'm not completely stupid. I promise, guys. It's supposed to work, but there were so many edge cases. But anyways, that's all. Goodbye.